gotta make 2 of these. They are going onto a pill machine. They're going to be covering a bunch of wires going up to the ceiling. So they got to be offset to basically go over in the ceiling tiles. I'll try to remember to take a video or some picture, but the seam is like here. So we're going to offset it over by about, I think I did this one 6 inches. This one is the same. Machines are pretty much the same. I just got to make 2 of them. And then they get front covers. So the front covers, they want to be able to access these things. Basically going to slip over like that. And that's going to hang over the front of the machine. Creates a nice seal. So that's why it's sitting up probably about 1/2 inch right now. But yeah, it slips over like that. Cleans it all up. I'll put some riv nuts on it. And yeah. So I'm just gonna make 2 of these along with some other straight ones, but these are a little bit more involved than the straight ones. Straight ones just pretty much just get bent into like a U. And also get riv nuts because they want to be able to access all of these. But yeah, that's it. Two of these tacked up. I'm gonna wait to weld them out totally. I just put little stitches that way if I move it around, it doesn't break. But yeah, by the time actually when I go to put these strips on and then I put the riv nuts in and then I can kind of put the face on and everything and bolt everything down, that's when I'll weld everything out. That way these don't move in or out too much. But yeah, I mean, I got 2 of these to do. These are also going to get stacked with some other straight pieces. And I'm just hoping I remember to take a video, take some pictures of what it looks like when it's all done. Because I know it's hard to visualize what these are going to really, what they're doing and everything else. But, so, yeah. Got these cut. These are gonna go right like that. That way it gives me something to put the riv nuts into on the front face. I did this out of heavier. This is like a 14 gauge stainless, all 316 stainless. All slightly more expensive than everything else. But yeah, now I gotta weld those on, do the riv nuts, do the face. Because it is gonna go into a clean room. So all this dirtiness, all from the water table, all gonna have to get cleaned up. It's part of the game. All right, let's get everything peeled, grinded, and then I can weld these all up. That's it for those. Those will get, I mean, I'm gonna stitch them up a little bit more, but it's pretty much how those are gonna look. And then yeah, once I'll clamp the face on, make sure everything's tight, and be able to put rib nuts and everything else, hold it together, make it clean, and then just weld everything out. Okay, it's the next day. I gotta close these up and that up on all of them. And I think these have to get trimmed a little bit here, just so the fitment's good, but otherwise everything else looks pretty good. Yeah, the way I had to draw this, I had to cut this a little weird, so I'm gonna have to cut a little piece, put it in there, and weld it. These ones, a lot easier, because I was able to pretty much just, when I drew it up and cut it out, straight slot. Want to leave this hanging down a little bit more, because if you're too short and you got to build all this up, it's better off to have to cut some off than to be too short. I got to just do that 3 more times now. Basically like a pop rivet. It's going to go in there and it's going to get squished, and then you basically have threads in your sheet metal. that this thing is pretty much almost done. Everything looks good, face is good. This part of the machine sits flush with the face. Other than cleaning it all up, so this is my template. There's separate wires and cables that come through here. That's on this side of the machine. I'm gonna have to make a little box and pretty much step it up. Maybe I'll put a little radius in it or something just to clean it up a little bit. All right, it's time for some cardboard aided design. That's my bottom template. That part will get cut out and I'll have like a 1/2 inch flange all the way around. I really want to do something like this. Let's see what I can come up with. Here is what I've come up with. I think that's clean. I'm gonna go with that. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna just need to mark this out, notch it out, and then I'll weld it up. End this video here, but that's pretty much it. I mean, I gotta finish welding out a couple things, but we got the notch, we got the cover all put on. If people seem interested, I will video me or record the rest of me welding this out and polishing it, because I got an electro polisher that I will polish it out with. But yeah, I gotta run down to Virginia where we're moving to the property. I just got a backhoe shipped there, so I kind of got to run down there and take a look at it, get some parts for it, swap some parts out. But if people seem interested in that, maybe I'll record that. And yeah, I mean, just, drop a like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of this.